Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again, friends. On Microsoft Edge, Chromium Collection is a new feature designed to help you to easily collect text, images, videos, and other content into a note page. In this video, you'll learn the steps to use collections in Chromium Edge for Windows 10. Use these steps to start collecting information with Microsoft Edge. First, open Microsoft Edge Canary. Next, click the Collections button next to the address bar. Second, click the Start New Collection button, and type a name for collection and press Enter. Third, start visiting websites that you want to collect and click the Add Current Page button. As you visit new websites, the Add button will shift to the top of the list, and click the Note button to add notes about the current collection. Next, if you like an image or link, drag and drop it to add it to your list. After you complete the steps, you can click the Share button to export everything to an Excel spreadsheet. If the items on the list isn't the order that you like, you rearrange them with the mouse. You can select each item and copy to the clipboard, export, or delete. You can also add content from a web page from the context menu. Select the image, text, or hyperlink, right-click it, and select the Add to Collections option. You can choose an existing collection to add to or start a new one.